Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to reactivate Alt tab in Google Chrome. Sometimes we are close entire Google Chrome web browser, but you can use my tips and tricks and activate entire your Alt tab. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply first I just simply close this and I want reactivate entire tab. I open and then the profile, and here we need to press here Command Shift and T. So entire all tabs are automatically open and access each and every website as it is. Before I am closing, those web page are activate here. So this is very important tips and tricks. If you are using Google Chrome, sometimes mistakenly close all tab and you won't access all tab as it is you want. So you can just simply press Command Shift and T. This is a Mac shortcut key. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.